So what is dead time? Dead time is moments where you can't basically do much productive stuff. You're waiting, you're commuting, you're uh I don't know, washing the dishes, sorry, doing things like that. And there are many things you can do in those moments to turn them into growth opportunities and actually make use of them. So, first one, meditating. Practice presence and mindfulness. Tune into your sensations, breathing. How are you breathing? Disconnect from your thoughts. Like, try to be aware of them, but do not indulge in them. So just watch them float by like clouds. What can you hear? What can you see? What can you maybe touch, feel with your fingies? What can you maybe taste, maybe smell? Try to ground yourself in this world and reality and observe it. And maybe you might find that you can hear sounds that you couldn't hear before while scrolling on your phone. Maybe you will see things like a puppy playing with, I don't know, a boy or something like that, and that's going to put a smile on your face. Maybe you're going to understand that you can smell something, like you can smell something sweet, and you can smell so many things, and your senses are so capable of stuff that you could never even imagine before because you were constantly distracting yourself. That's really, really cool. Try to be in this real world and you start to realize that you can experience it on such a heightened level of vividness and reality, and it turns into this like profound experience, you know? You get to be more present when you're talking to people, practice active listening. You get to be more present in moments in life and actually enjoy them. You get to feel more still and calm. So try out meditation. You can listen to guided meditation, sure. Leave one ear open though if you're using earphones or something like that, or just read about that beforehand and practice that on your own. So just become aware of your surroundings, your body, your feelings, your thoughts. Don't let them distract you. That's basically what it is. You can start with focusing on your breath to gather that attention and feel how your attention is moving through you. So the second thing is socializing. Socialize, socialize, socialize. That is so healthy for you, boy, especially in today's society. Everyone's on their phones, everyone's lonely as hell, everyone's depressed as hell, and everyone feels like they don't want to talk to you, but I can assure you most of them do, and most of them will benefit from having a conversation with you, no matter how much it is. Like, even just asking a stranger how they are today. That can change a day for someone. Even if they say, oh, just fine, you know, you still asked, you still showed care and interest, and you showed that you are actually in this world. You're not just an NPC walking around just looking at your phone. You actually exist and you actually interact with people. So you can learn a lot of from other people, a lot of life lessons, a lot of stuff like that. So just practice, say hi to someone. If you're reading in line, just if you overhear a conversation, feel free to join. If they're going to not like it or not want it, then you can easily just shut the fuck up and get away from there. It's not like you have to push yourself on them. That's not going to happen. The first thing that you do, the first words that you say, are not pushing anything. In fact, they're the opposite. They're offering an opportunity for others to be able to interact with you. Yeah, it can turn awkward, but that's on them. That's on them for being boring. So understand, like, if you struggle with that, just think of one question you could ask, like, how are you? Or uh, I don't know, even ask them for the time and then start the conversation. So yeah, you can basically just ask them for the time and then from their reaction see what they're feeling about conversing. You can literally just say, oh, nice weather today, isn't it? As like a joke that could, just estimate their uh, availability and then go on with it. You can really, really gain a lot of value from speaking with people, and especially strangers. You can gain friends. You can maybe even possibly find a partner. You can find a business partner. You can find a new job opportunity. Networking is the key term here. You can network everywhere. And you can make yourself feel better by talking to other people. We are all social beings, so you're going to feel way better when you converse with someone. After you converse with someone. Sure, if you're an introvert, fine, you still need conversations. You still need to feel that in your daily life. The third thing, obviously, read. That's another thing. Educate yourself. Watch educational content. That's the fourth thing. Consume content that helps you grow. Don't waste that time scrolling on TikTok. Just please don't do that. Like, jeez. The fifth thing is talk to yourself. Yeah, be crazy like that. Maybe not out loud, okay, sure, but look out the window or just, I don't know, stare somewhere and just talk to yourself. Ask yourself questions. Practice having a productive conversation with yourself in your head. That is really, really healthy for you. Understand how you are feeling right now. Understand if there's anything bothering you right now, if there's anything in life that you want to fix or solve or work with, if there's anything you want from life more to like achieve. A lot of very insightful and helpful conversations can happen between you and yourself, because who knows you more than you do, right? Now, if you can, the next thing is journaling. That's also a part of it, so you can talk to yourself with the help of this tool that is a journal, or do some prompts if you do have the ability to write uh, with the thing that you are doing right now. Another thing is uh, engage yourself in fantasies. I know that sounds bad, but reconnect with your inner child and engage yourself in imaginations and fantasies and in this world of like possibilities that you could do also in real life, because that's going to help you assess what opportunities you can like take and how creative you can be in this real world and what you can do, all the possibilities that you can take, which is awesome. Like, just visualize your future, visualize certain scenarios that you could have with your partner, with your friends, certain plans, certain things that you could do for yourself as well. Just, let your creativity and imagination ability to go wild. So that's that. If you want to make the most of your life, I've put 5 years of self improvement into a neat digital guide and set up for you to create your life strategy and stop wasting time, stop missing out on either success or fulfillment that each moment in your life can offer you. So, check the top link in the description. There is a discount code. I'll put it on screen right now for the first 5 people who decide to buy this. And there's only 3 left, so hurry up. Yeah, write in the comments what you guys think. Like it and subscribe if you want to see more content on how to make the most of your life. And as always, go and apply what you learned.